Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The left end of the toolbar that appears under the Tab Documents bar in the Documents view contains the Common Tools toolbar. The Common Tools toolbar is a collection of commonly used buttons grouped by different button set categories. This lesson examines the default toolbar buttons that appear within this toolbar at the left end of the main toolbar in the Document view. At the far left end is a Save File button, which lets you save changes to the currently opened PDF. To the right is the Save Files to Adobe Document Cloud button, which lets you upload the currently opened PDF to Adobe's Document Cloud so you can access it from anywhere with a connected device. Continuing to the right is the Print File button, which you can click to print the currently opened PDF. After that is the Send File as an Email Attachment button, which lets you send the current PDF file by traditional email or by using Acrobat's Send and Track feature. The last button in this button group is the Find Text button. Clicking this button lets you locate specific text within the current PDF. Next is a button dividing line that separates the File Management and Editing buttons from the Page Navigation and Display buttons. To the right of the dividing line are the Show Previous Page and Show Next Page buttons, which are marked with up and down arrows. These buttons let you move to the next or previous pages of the current PDF. Continuing to the right is a box with a number in it, followed by a / and then another number. The number inside the box is the current page number. The second number after the / is the total number of pages in the current PDF. To view a specific page, click into the box and type the page number to view. Then press your keyboard's Enter key. The buttons that appear to the right of the next dividing line are actually part of the separate Page Controls toolbar. As mentioned earlier, this toolbar can either appear to the right of the Common Tools toolbar in the main toolbar area, or floating over the bottom of the PDF window by clicking the button at its right end to toggle its position on screen. While the buttons that were just mentioned are the buttons that appear by default within the Common Tools toolbar, they are not the only buttons that are available. You can also add or remove buttons from the Common Tools toolbar. We will discuss customizing the Common Tools toolbar in a separate lesson.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.